Hello everyone, my name is Sanovar and I am 2019 batch trainee. There are four members in my group, I and my other three classmates named Hema, Sapna and Pooja Bharti. Our computer topic is input and output devices. Now I am going to my topic. Introduction of input devices. Input devices are those devices through which we can enter data and instruction into the computer. For example, keyboard, mouse, BCR, OMR, MICR, biometric sensor, microphone. Keyboard is one of the most common input device. Keyboard is used to enter data information which may be numerical and or alphabetical form. There are different kinds of keyboard: numerical keys, alphabet keys, function keys, arrow keys, home key, end key, page up के, page down के, control के, enter के, shift के, escape के, backspace के, delete के, caps lock के, num lock के, space bar के. Mouse is a small handheld device which having two or three buttons on its upper side and also has a small wheel to input data in monitor. The mouse may be used the position electing on object by clicking. Scanner. It is used to convert data and image into an electric form that can be stored on the computer. The most common type of scanner is handheld and flat scanner. Biometric sensor. Biometric sensor are mainly used for security purpose and for making attendance employee students in the organization institute. Biometric sensor is a device which recognizes physically or behavior of the individual. Web camera. A web camera is a video capturing device. It is used for video conference or online chatting. BCR. BCR is an input device used for reading printed barcode available on the product to be sold. A barcode is a machine readable presentable information in the form of stripes, dark and light ink. Introduction of output device. Output device are used to get final result from the computer. Firstly, output is displayed on the monitor. Then we can print out. Device is translate is to data and information from electrical impulse to human readable format. Example of output device: monitor, printer, speaker. Monitor is a basic output device and it gives soft copy output. Monitor is also one of the important part of computer because without monitor system can't work. So this is the standard output device. It is also known as a screen display, video display or video screen. Types of monitor: CRT, TET, LCD, LED. Printer. It is also a basic output device used to print the output on the paper. This output on the paper is called hard copy output. Mainly there are three types of printers available in the market. Types of printer: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Projector. A projector is a device designed to take on images from the video source and project it as faithfully as possible onto a screen or other plan surface. Speaker. Computer speaker are used to output sound of music file, video file, animation file, etc. Thank you.